To clean the steam wand after using it, wipe it down thoroughly with a damp cloth. Push the wand towards the drip tray and open the steam lever to purge any residual milk. If any holes in the steam wand tip become blocked, it should be cleaned using the steam tip cleaning tool, as even partially blocked holes may affect the performance of the steam wand. To unblock, use the spanner in the middle of the steam wand cleaning tool to unscrew the tip. Soak the tip in hot water before using the cleaning tool to unblock, and replace the tip back onto the steam wand. Open the steam lever to purge the steam wand after cleaning. Then, pull the lever down to the closed position.